Alright guys, today I go to Nashville to make a very interesting hot tub cover delivery. It's actually going to go on that rooftop right there. Yep, we're going all the way to the 4th floor. Our rooftop hot tub needs a hot tub cover, so here we go. Now it was a surprise to know that I had to go to the 4th floor. I did not know until this day. And interestingly enough, I've been sick for about a week with an upper respiratory infection, so my lungs are not up to a 4-story climb, but they have an elevator in here, so I found that out right before I showed up, and I was pretty excited about that. Yeah, it's got an elevator in the house. We're ready. Sound like the door unlocked, and here we are. Look at that. Yeah. As soon as I opened the elevator door, I knew I was in trouble. The cover is 92 inches tall, and it was not going in this elevator, so we're going up the steps. Now, I can't tell you how discouraging this was. I can barely breathe. I was in the doctor's office yesterday, and I got some antibiotics to go with me for a week and steroids as well. So I am not up to this. I can't hardly breathe. You could probably hear me breathing really heavy throughout the video. I apologize for that. I'm not trying to be creepy. I just could not breathe, and here I am struggling to carry this thing up the steps. And the thing about it is, as I go up each flight of steps, I have to turn and angle the cover so that it doesn't hit the ceiling, and it's going around these tight turns. And so anyway, it was kind of a disaster as far as physically. I was really concerned because I was struggling to breathe. My chest was pounding, and so anyway, but you got to do what you got to do, right? I thought I was going to have an elevator, and the elevator did not work. So you got to get this hot tub cover up to the top floor. So you just got to carry it. Whew, this is tough. So the hot tub itself is 92 inches by 92 inches. So when it's folded in half, it's 92 inches by 46 inches. And it weighs approximately, I'm going to say 55 to 60 pounds, somewhere in there. So it's lightweight, but it's large, and it's weird, and it's just not easy to do this, especially when you're sick as a dog. All right, guys, I'm bringing it up to the 4th floor. When you open that door, this is what you see. All right, so there you go. That's what I'm talking about. A rooftop hideaway hot tub spot in Nashville, Tennessee. All right, let's get this thing up here. I've already got it up to the 3rd floor. Only one more level to go. Oh, I hope I make it. This is an Airbnb, and so there were guests here at the time. I tried to make it as quick as possible, considering the circumstances, and stay out of their way. And they just continued on with what they were doing, probably making bets on whether I would die or survive. All right, this is the hot tub on the roof. It is a garden leisure, almost 8 foot by 8 foot. And by the time you get all the water in it, you're looking at probably 4,000 to 5,000 pounds. And so be careful when you put a hot tub on a roof. Make sure it's all reinforced. But look at this view, this opportunity to have a hot tub on the roof. Okay, let's get this hot tub cover on this hot tub. This cover is going to cost about $650. And the tie-down clips are very important to keep this thing from blowing off, especially on a rooftop situation. Obviously, there are some extra things to consider when you put a hot tub on a rooftop, but at the end of the day, it's pretty cool to have a hot tub on a roof. Well, there you go. The cover is on the tub. This is a great spot for an Airbnb. Have your family reunion here, or Nashville's known for being a hot spot for bachelorette parties, etc. So, pretty cool. Not bad, huh? We'll take it. All right, guys, there you go. That was 4 levels up the steps. We're on the rooftop now, but looks great, doesn't it? And I survived so far. That's some good stuff. Well, at least I get to take the old skin down on the elevator. All right, I want to go to the rooftop with the elevator so we can get a good view of the city. So these houses, kind of like townhouses, in urban areas close to the city, sometimes they're 4 stories like this one, and so they'll go with an elevator. And this is actually an Airbnb, so really cool. All right. It automatically opens the partition, and then you can just walk out the door. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hit 1. I'm just going to automatically close that partition. And down we go. It's got lights. It's nice. Got a little handrail here. So it's cool. It's slow, but it's handling me, and that's a good thing. So there you go. Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, right behind me. Well, it was anyway. Should be again real soon. We're coming up on Nashville. If you look straight ahead, you will see the home of country music and the Tennessee Titans. And we're at the 2nd floor going down. And again, I'm just taking this skin down. That was on the old cover. That's all that was left of the old cover before we got the new one. Whew, I'm still breathing hard. I can feel it in my chest. But good times, got it delivered. And that is some good stuff. All right, so this is automatically going to open. Then I will open the door, and this is what I wanted to do, to take it all the way up. But it's not tall enough for the cover we had, which was a 92 by 92. So that's what we were stuck with. So now we'll just take it out. It'll be good to go. Well, there you go. We accomplished the mission, and I'm still breathing, and that's some good stuff.